Meg Terrell now tracking the FDA's big decision. Meg?
Well, hi, Shep. These last hours of the U.S. race for a vaccine did not come without drama. Earlier today, the FDA issued an unusual statement, all but promising a coming authorization, saying after last night's positive advisory committee meeting that it's working rapidly toward finalization and issuance of an emergency use authorization. Later, the Washington Post reported White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows threatened FDA Commissioner Dr. Stephen Hahn, authorize the vaccine today or resign. The report came after President Trump tweeted directly at the commissioner, calling the agency a, quote, big old slow turtle when it comes to the vaccines. Now, Hahn disputed the story, saying the FDA was, quote, encouraged to continue working expeditiously. The back and forth is again raising questions about political pressure after a process fraught with it. But vaccine expert Dr. Paul Offit, who voted yes in the FDA's advisory meeting yesterday, said at this point it won't change much.
I think it's just a lot of saber rattling and posturing. The fact of the matter is that the FDA's Vaccine Advisory Committee approved overwhelmingly to move forward on this vaccine. That certainly is what the FDA wants to do. So I don't think that Mark Meadows is making them do anything that they weren't going to do anyway.
But of course, frustration has mounted over the last week as the UK, Bahrain, and Canada authorized the shot before the U.S. Shep?
Meg, the government is buying more of Moderna's vaccine as well, right?
It is. That just came out tonight. 100 million more doses to be delivered in the second quarter of next year. Now, the news comes, of course, amid concerns there would be a drop-off in vaccine supply in the U.S. around April or May of next year, after reports that Pfizer had offered its second quarter allotment to the U.S. and was rebuffed before selling it elsewhere. Now, that brings the U.S. total to 300 million doses purchased. If the vaccines get cleared by the FDA, that's enough for 150 million Americans, Shep.
Meg, thanks. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.